So we're gonna do something a little different today. We're gonna be doing a photo shoot, behind the scenes of a photo shoot of mine. So I'm gonna be basically showing you how I work the FJ400 alongside with the Fujifilm GFX 50S2. We'll probably, since that sun is like that, we'll probably start in the field. Probably in the middle field, go there, and go to the stand. Get you sit like that, but like right here.
Okay.
These things always been weird to me. How do you grab them? You tell I ain't never done that before. Yeah, I ain't know that. Sit right here. Yeah. All right, 1, 2, 3. Or look, or if not, go that way. Yeah. Go ahead. You can move if you need to. Go ahead. 1, 2, 3. Let's see. You wanna look at it? I got one you falling too, so. That's one.
Hey, that was good.
That's the first one.
That was good.
So that's the first one. That's when she fell. That's the last one.
Okay.
Yeah, I think the first one did it though. That's dope. That's dope. Hey, I'm glad you told me about that. Just right then, I had my shutter speed at 1,000 at 1.7 f-stop and 50 ISO because I don't have an ND filter on it. So I'm not using this flash for this one since I already got direct sunlight. Here you go, 1, 2, 3. Do one, put your hand on your hip and point at me if you can. Hold it, 1, 2, 3. Love it. That's dope. Hey, that was dope. So I'm finna make this a wide shot. Now I gotta drop my shutter speed down to 200 instead of 1,000 since we're shooting with the FJ400. And the key is to always get a dark image first. So I gotta change my f-stop to like 2.5. 1, 2, 3. Check that. Check it. Yeah. I'm gonna get close sometime. Okay, get right back there, boy. All right, 1, 2, 3. Hold that one more time. Here we go, 1, 2, 3. Nice. Put them down in that little gap. Yeah, like right there. Yeah, that's another thing. If you see me looking all crazy, don't mind me. I'm trying to find a shot. I'm gonna be like, just like my head gonna be just like this. So if I like this, look up at me right here. We go 1, 2, 3. We go 1, 2, 3. One more, 1, 2, 3. And let's flip your hair. Do you like your hair to the front?
Yeah.
Flip that one too. Flip it to the front. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. One more. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, that's gonna look better. At the other goalpost, look that way. Give me kind of like a serious look. Please don't laugh. Please. Ah, I should have said that. I should have said that. You ready? You ready? All right, 1. All right, 1, 2, 3. Nice. 1, 2, 3. I'll tell you what, look at you see the bench? Look at the bench, yeah. Look that way. No smile right here. You go 1, 2, 3. More. Hold that for me. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Hold that for me. 1, 2, 3. Duh. See you later. complex. So right here, we finna create some depth of field right here. Stand right where you at. Right where you at. Right there. I know she gonna go home like, this dude is crazy.
No.
I think I wanted that close, yeah. Like I said, right here, we're gonna be create a depth of field. Open them up just a little bit, right there. Oh, this is gonna be gorgeous. All right, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Good.
Oh, that's
I had to show you that because I know that was nice. Finna shoot on the stand. So when shooting these type of shots, like with the seniors and stuff, in this case, I want to use the sunlight as a backlight, so it can give that nice glow to the subject. And so when I'm using the Westcott, it emulates them when I'm shooting face on with them. Kind of separate them from the subject, from the background at least. Well, I'm using the beauty dish is called the Glow. It's a Glow beauty dish. I think I have the 27-inch. And I'm using the FJ400 as the strobe light. So using that beauty dish, I say always use a beauty dish instead of just a regular softbox because it's gonna really give you a soft light. So as you can see in the photos, it's very soft on the subject and it just gives a better image, in my opinion. So 1, 2, 3. Kind of like, I want you to lean on it no more. Kind of like, and put your hand, like you see how my arm is? Yeah, like that. Ooh. 1, 2, 3. Hold it. Either 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Oh, you got it. 1, 2, 3. On 3, you're gonna look up at me, okay? Go ahead. Yo! That's it. That is it. Yeah, that's right.